All right, Rangers. Our plan of attack is simple. Halo drop into Skorg City, fire a whole mess of bullets, and take Drek into custody so we can be home in time for waffles. Mm-hmm.
Yeah! Yeah, waffles!
Ah, that's good.
Wait, that's our plan?
Yes, it is.
Pardon me, Captain, but Chairman Drek is cunning. He will be prepared for our assault.
Look, I think it is beyond adorable that you decided to do all this homework. But big heroes do big things. Let's take a vote. All those in favor of kicking in Drek's front door with a massive arsenal and restoring peace to a galaxy in turmoil, say aye.
Aye!
All those in favor of nerding it up here with some pie charts, say nay.
Nay.
Motion passes. We assault Drek Industries tonight. Lock and load, Rangers. Sit up and rally in the aft airlock. All right, team. Let's bring it in. Remember, our target is Chairman Drek. Ready, Rangers? On the count of 3. 3!
Keep up, rookie!
All right, pal. You ready?
Well, I,
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Ratchet, no.
Oh.
Ratchet to Rangers. I've landed in Core 2, but I ran out of jetpack fuel.
Brax and I are heading over to the complex. We'll split up and keep radio contact. Good luck, team.
Drek Industries is up ahead. Let's move. Follow me.
Oh, I just might make my quota this nice one. Buzz blades are a personal favorite of mine.
Enemies up ahead. I'll cover you. I'll hit the switch. Wait here.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Versa bridge activated.
Try crossing now. Careful. Guards up ahead. Attack!
By Mr. Zircon.
Heads up! We got some flyers!
Ratchet, the last time I was here, I used the air purification vents to escape. Perhaps we could now use them to get into the factory.
Good thinking, Clank. Look, over there. Be careful in there, Clank.
Come in, Rangers. I am inside Drek Industries' ventilation system.
Good work, Cadet. I wish I was in that vent with you. Curse these abnormally large muscles.
There's a security terminal just north of your position. Shut it down, and the Rangers should be able to access the building.
Here we are. Megatron Career Opportunities page. Please state your current position. Assistant to Evil Villain. List relevant skills. Firing, answering call. It's the defect. What are you doing back here?
There must be a way through this room.
You're not supposed to be in here. You'd better leave before Chairman Drek finds you.
Set complete.
Attention, all warbots. Warbot Platoon 774 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations. Now go out there and ruin someone's day. Attention, all warbots. A bug in your system settings has been discovered. You should never add flowers to your battery packs. You should add Power. Please see your nearest engineer for a software upgrade. Engineers, mandatory typing classes have now been ordered by Chairman Drek.
That was impressive.
Well, that didn't work at all.
Oh my, that looks dangerous.
You think your way out of this one?
Mr. Board, do not fail me now.
Everything going okay, pal?
I am almost there, but I have run into an obstacle. Drek's assistant, Zed, is attempting to keep me from reaching the security terminal.
Understood. Ilaris, carpet bomb the factory with pyrocytic blast mines.
I think it's probably safer if we let Clank handle things.
I would prefer that as well.
Okay, that's far enough. This ends now. How did you best my brilliance?
Attention, all warbots. Chairman Drek would like to thank you for your hard work. Ice cream sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon from 1:10 to 1:15 p.m. Also, a friendly reminder that there is a mandatory meeting for all warbots from 1 to 1:30 on Deck B. Any warbots not attending will be destroyed.
Good work, Gadgetbot.
How are you so smart? Warbots are supposed to be simple soldiers. Who upgraded you? Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot? Wait until Victor sees that I've captured you. Then I'll be top henchman. Maybe he can spend all day stacking crates. I can't compete with this.
Not bad for me.
There's certainly nothing you can do about this crate blocking your way into the security room. Yup, I'd just give up if I were you.
Perhaps that magnet can be of assistance.
I'm tracking things. Coming out of my paycheck. Janice. It's the season finale, too. Hey, I was collecting those. This is the worst day ever. I must have so many unread emails right now. I hope Victor doesn't see me like this. I'd never hear the end of it. I'm gonna lose my job for this mess. I don't like the look of that magnet over there. Magnets. Just can't trust them. I'm gonna lose my job for this mess. I hope Victor doesn't see me like this. I'd never hear the end of it.
That crane requires multiple power bots. I must search this room.
I don't like the look of that magnet over there. Magnets. Just can't trust them. What are you doing? Are you using that magnet? Everything in here is the property of Drek Industries. What you're doing is, well, rude. You see us coming over to your lair and taking over your magnets? You're getting too close. Computer, dial Chairman Drek.
Dialing. Chairman Drek.
Greetings. You've reached the voicemail box of Chairman Alonzo Drek. I'm away from my poultry.
Hey, let me down! warning, Warbot! You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries. Don't you dare execute that command! You executed it! Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems. You did it again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac. Nice work, little buddy.
You did well, Clank.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
All right, let's head inside and find Drek.
Engaging motion scan.
I hope you enjoyed your tour of my tech. I've even arranged a demonstration of the good doctor's latest pod.
Toasted. Into the elevator! Hurry! It looks like the main office is up there.
Oh my. This assembly line is the place of my creation. I am experiencing many conflicting feelings.
It's my chum, ammo full. Isn't Raritanium awesome?
Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zerkon to not like first Zerkon. Promise.
Enemy down!
Evil Zerkon. Hates Zerkon.
Good shooting.
There's a fueling station behind that force field.
You go for the station. I'll cover you.
Mr. Zerkon is here to kill.
Think you can flank that turret?
Hello, sneaky aliens.
Nice work. Let's move.
Mr. Zerkon is here to kill. Will not like evil Zerkon. Promise. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zerkon?
Galactic Ranger.
Think you can flank that turret? Nice work. Let's move. Get yourself over here. We've got Zircons!
Mr. Zircon.
Down.
Kill. Mr. Zircon cannot wait to kill you. Did no one warn you about Mr.
Not bad, Ratchet.
Did you enjoy my Zircons? Don't worry, there are plenty more surprises ahead. Get ready.
Here we go.
Mr. Zircon gives you a concerto of suffering.
Oh dear, more of them.
Enemy down! Here we go.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon does not come in peace. Mr. Zircon does not provide bullets. His currency is paper.
Oh dear, more of them.
Nice.
You made it. Now use the trespasser to access the refueling station.
Force field deactivated.
Okay, I refilled my jetpack.
Good. Let's secure the upper level and get into that office.
As you can see, we're at peak Warbot supply. It's the perfect time to break into new markets around the galaxy.
You will not like evil Zircon. Promise.
We have to find Drek before we teleport out of here.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Destroy target.
Drek and his stupid force fields.
There's a security terminal on the opposite side of the room, across from the office. Get in there to shut down that force field.
Oh boy. Out of it, more warbots coming our way.
Let's take out these warbots, then deactivate those lasers. Captain,
myself. Yep, lot of enemies. Too many, really. Get out of here, enemies! Yeah, I'm under a lot of heavy fire, so unfortunately I won't be able to assist, so, Good. Look!
Brax, we could use a hand here. Brax?
They're here! Take that, you lousy synthenoids!
Great. Well, looks like it's all on us.
Mr. Zircon is here.
More of them, by the security room.
Mr. Zircon is born. Destroy target.
Security terminal. You must disable it.
You can all relax now. I'm finally here.
Goodbye, stupid ranger.
I'm okay!
You want to take this one?
Mr. Zircon is here.
It's time to meet the family. Your feeble web.
Enjoy the last minutes of your lives, Rangers. Wish I could stay and watch, but I've got to run.
We can't let that slime ball get away. Keep shooting! It's working!
You dare to shoot Mrs. Zircon?
Her shield's down! Fire!
Mrs. Zircon, the Zircons will destroy you now.
Destroy her shield! Keep firing!
Your feeble weapons are stupid.
I'm gonna go investigate that office. Meet me there.
Ratchet, I dispatched your ship to the Drek Industries tarmac. We'll see you back on Kurwan.
Hey, can you take care of this lock? We're in! Come on!
Fascinating. These are plans for something called a deplanetizer.
Deplanetizer.
Why would Drek be destroying planets?
Not destroy. It seems that Drek is trying to build the perfect planet.
Wait for me! Wait! You don't even have my email! It's Okay! Okay! Novalis! He wants Novalis!
Novalis? Novalis is populated.
Yes, 43,618,924 people to be exact. The Snorkelses had twins this morning.
We gotta move.
There's not a minute to lose, Rangers. Let's rendezvous and head toward this deplanetizer thingy.
Ready to fly, just need some coordinates.